Pwede rin reels, nakatayo.
For real, ang cute pala das in person.
Ay, grabe. Thank you. Grabe na kaya.
Close kay Ate Lalay.
Grabe. Yeah, I always visit. Okay, chair. But everyone,
Saan si Wilma?
Yeah.
Ay, nawala.
ay, let me know if okay na po.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Ayan, wait to season 5. Just like that, how time flies so fast.
Yes, I myself couldn't believe it. So, what? Season 5 na tayo of Praise God.
Yes.
Sarap ng feeling.
Yeah. It's a blessing.
Sino nagmana sa pagluto kay Ma'am Helen?
Si Ate Lala.
talaga?
Magaling
Yeah.
magluto
Anong-
sa aming apat.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's
Yeah.
Ano po yung putahe?
She cooks very well. Yung mga,
Aside from alam niya yung luto ni Mama,
yung
may
mga
sarili siya.
niluluto kong iba, though not all, ano siya, talaga madali siyang matuto.
Oo.
Ang bilis niyang mag-pick up.
Yes.
Ano
Yeah.
po what do you find yourself cooking the most nowadays?
All these years, I would say,
All these
I cook
years.
pasta,
Oo.
well, the usual, kare-kare, adobo, paella,
She can cook anything.
Yes.
Like American, Filipino, Italian,
Oo.
Japanese,
yeah,
Korean.
because
She can cook everything.
And
it's my passion.
Yes.
Yun, passion for cooking. I think I took it from my mom. Kasi maliit pa ako, MJ, pag nagluluto mami ko, nandun ako, nanonood ako. So, when I grew up, yun talagang parang, syempre, pwede ko nang gayahin.
And ang dami nyo pong, actually, bago ko pa matikman yung luto nyo, madami na akong artista na nakausap o mga tao sa industriya na na-touch. You touch their lives because you sent them food. You're so generous, madam.
I would say it's a language of my love, especially with friends. Yeah, of course, first.
Family, friends and family.
Yeah,
That's
family.
That's really her love language. She'll cook at home and then she'll send people food. The
Oh.
ones she remembers, yung mga love niya.
Kasi naman, MJ, ang dami rin not order, request.
Yes,
Or
yun nga
mga
po eh.
friends.
Ano yung number 1 request nila sa'yo ngayon?
Iba-iba eh.
Crabs, Mom.
Ay, grabe.
Usually
Yeah.
crabs.
That is the most popular.
Most requested
Oh,
yun.
wow.
Crabs,
Ang swerte
yeah.
naman ng friends ni Shara growing
Of
up. I'm sure
course.
pag pupunta sa inyo,
Totoo yan.
bibs. Oo. Anong handa nila pag nandun sa house ninyo?
Kung ano yung food na lang namin for dinner, sinishare namin. Kasi
Oo.
laging
Soba.
overflowing yung
Yeah.
pagkain
Ang
doon.
sarap.
Kasi kung ano yung food namin, yun din yung food ng helpers, ng everybody in the household.
The team.
So, may sobra. Kung sino man yung bisita namin for that day, makakakuha sila like bake. Makakakain
Yes.
sila baked mac or adobo, kahit kaldereta pa yan. Pero pag may touch of Helen, talaga may magic yung pagkain. Eh. Sumasarap talaga pag si mommy nagluto.
Oh, what's your fondest memory of your mom cooking for you?
Aside from cooking with her in Helen's kitchen,
Yes.
I remember as a child that she would really do the burgers from scratch. She'll buy ground pork, ground beef,
Mm-mm.
and then we help her form it. Meron pang burger na yung steel na ano na yun. Ang tawag
Yes,
dun mo, yung
yes.
pang hulma.
Wow!
Yeah.
Talagang
Smash burger.
tumutulong kami.
The real
Tumutulong kami
deal.
dun. Yes, the real deal. From scratch. Everything from scratch except for the bun.
Oo.
Pero talagang pati yung sauce niya, she'll do it from scratch.
So, bang-
Fondest memory ko yun na my brother and I would help her out form the burger.
Oh,
Kasi, when I got married, if I may,
of course.
yes, after siguro mga first few years, no, rather right after the wedding, I took a respite. I mean, from movies, from television, kasi I wanted to, focus on my children. Most especially when they started coming. Yun, talagang nag-stop ako making movies, television, ganyan. Kasi I attended to my children.
Oh, wow.
Kaya parang 15 years yata yun. Talagang sila, yung from their baon in the morning, when they go to school, yun ang naging routine ko.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What do you wanna say? Because lahat ngayon nagmamadali. Lahat ng nanay ngayon nagmamadali. Lahat ng nanay ngayon parang walang panahon magluto, take out, order. What do you wanna tell us? Ako po yun. Para ma-inspire naman akong maging
Kasi-
domesticated.
Kasi MJ, sa gabi, let's say, before I retired at night, iniisip ko na, para I have in my mind already kung anong prepare ko for them. Ang breakfast nila, tapos lunch, tapos merienda, and dinner. Yun lang naman yun. It's just a matter of talagang
Time management.
time management. Yeah, that's true.
Do you encourage women right now to, of course, experience that? What maybe share the kitchen with their kids?
Oh, well, I don't want to be an authoritative over this, but for me, I mean, family comes first, most especially my children. Kaya talagang I attended to them at first. I mean, first yon. Tapos, and they could see how I serve them, how I really take
She
care
was
of
super
them.
hands-on. She was
I'm
super
hands-on palagi. Whether nagluluto ako or sa kanila. And of course, kay Tito Sen.
Of course,
Number
swerte
one.
nga. Apakaswerte ni
Yes.
Tito Sen, no? Jumakpat.
Talaga. Actually, si Daddy nasanay siya kahit may event siya sa labas. Pag uwi niya, kakain pa rin siya. Kasi alam niya
Yes.
nagluto si Mama.
That's true.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. You'll forever, remember those moments. I think
Yes.
those are the moments that,
Well, of course, I always remember everything.
wow, ang galing
Yes.
po. And thank you for sharing this for 5 seasons and counting. So
Yes.
season 5, ano ba hindi nyo naluluto?
Hindi nga
Ewan
namin
ko ba?
alam eh.
Kaya
Ang hirap
nga.
mag-isip
Kasi
ng
ang
putahe.
dami na, MJ. I was surprised kanina nung sinabi sa akin ni Jen tsaka ni Wiz na, naku, 5, ano na tayo? Ha? Ganun ba yun? Yes, tapos magti 10 years na raw kami. Next year yata yun.
Yes.
Yeah, sabi ko, wow. I'm so happy. I'm not only happy, I'm so joyful. And I'm so thankful, first to God, second to TV5, and of course, the staff, our director. Ang saya-saya ko talaga. I'm very grateful.
And
And to all our guests.
Of course.
Na iniimbita namin.
And last question, speaking of your guests, you also have backstories with most of them saying that yung core memory nila from the first time your food touched their lips.
Kasi when I was busy doing teleserye before, yung mga nakakasama ko sa teleserye, and ang nagiging very close kami, tapos I always cook, I bring food on the set, yun, doon ako nagkikater, and there's
May sarili siyang catering.
Kaya
doon.
nga eh. May sariling
So,
ano.
nakakatikim talaga yung mga co-actors niya and nagiging close sila.
Galing nga, nga po yung sabi. That's so beautiful. But congratulations po sa bagong season. Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
MJ.
Grabe,
Thank you
nakakatuwa.
for having us.
Oh, of course. No,